Welcome to this demo on Ripped, an AI-powered health assistant backed by MindsDB. I will start by opening up an instance of the app on my browser. Let's scroll down to have a look at all the features. Classifying broadly, we have three main features. The first one is all about helping the user with healthy recipes on the go. For the second one, we have customized, time-based transformation plans for users. And lastly, we have our AI-powered health coach to help and assist users with any queries that they may have, whilst they achieve their fitness goals. Let's go ahead and explore the first feature. The Make My Healthy Recipe feature allows users to generate healthy recipes in an instant. The user has also got the option to specify any dietary restrictions. Let's go ahead and get a new recipe by clicking on Generate. Let's scroll back down to the recipe section to see the recipe that we generated. I haven't used JavaScript in this project a lot, which is why the whole page renders itself and we need to scroll back to our sections in case we send in some API requests. Now let's generate a new one wherein we specify a couple of the dietary restrictions as shown here. We'll assume that the user is gluten and lactose intolerant for now, and let's see what recipe Ripped has for such a user. And there you go, enjoy a bowl of quinoa salad with roasted vegetables. Moving ahead to the next feature. We have transformation plans for our users. Right now they are classified based on time periods, but as a future enhancement, we are looking forward to adding users' vitals into consideration before suggesting them a transformation plan. I will go ahead and select a 180-day transformation plan and let's see what it suggests us. And there we have it. A 6-month-long step-by-step exercise routine for the user tailored according to their needs. Next we have is the AI-powered calorie counter, which assists you to find out the total number of calories for any eatable that you have in mind. Let's go ahead and find out the approximate number of calories in a veg sandwich. There you go. 250 calories it is. Let's go ahead and try another one. So an average hamburger is filling you up with 300 calories and you need to watch out. Moving ahead to our next feature. The BMI Index Calculator is a simple calculator that takes the user's sex, height and weight as an input and provides them with their index value and the category in which they currently lie in. Let's input some random values to see how this works. So, according to the input that we provided, we can see that the user has a BMI index value of 31.2 and is currently in the obese category of individuals. Let's head over to our last feature, which is the AI-powered health coach, to assist you with all your queries. Let's click on the link to try this out. So this is what the chat interface looks like. You can type in any questions for our AI assistant Dave and he shall help you out with all of the answers. Let's try this out with a sample question about losing weight at a healthy pace. And there you go. Coach Dave has spoken and he suggests that losing about half a kilogram is a good and a healthy pace to lose weight. You can try this out with any number of questions that you may have, and our coach shall be happy to assist you always. So that's all I had for this demo. If you wish to explore more about this project, you can head over to the GitHub link mentioned in the description below. Thank you.